Everything is hidden in the power of now. Hello, my dear friends. As you know, my name is Amit Kumar, and I am here with one more topic today. And the name that topic is the power of now. The power of now, many of the people underestimate. Many of the people do not understand the power of now. Either they live in past or they live in future. They keep on thinking about past, that this happened with me, this happened with me, that happened with me. Why did that happen with me? Why did that person did with me this thing? And many of the people think about future, what will happen with me in future, how will I be able to do that. And the reason why is it happening is because they are not getting the power of now. Everything, most of the things are hidden in this power of now. If they work if they work properly in the power of right now, they will get amazing results in their lives. Because the reason why am I saying this thing is because, look, what is life? If you observe the life closely, you will get that, you will understand that life is made with time. Life is made in time, right? So just because of that, and time is made in moments, time is distributed in seconds, in moments. So when everything is made in right now, in this moment, then why do we underestimate? Why don't we understand the power of now? So that's why people are getting so much troubled. People are getting indulged into those kind of things which is not relevant even. And that's why nothing worthwhile is happening in their lives. And that's why they are so much troubled. And they are not only troubled, but they are giving trouble to other people also. They are blaming that it is not happening, it is not happening, that is not happening, that is not happening, that will not happen, this will not happen, this did not happen, that did not happen, my parents did not support me. If they understand the power of right now, they can do a lot of the things, because everything is starting from right now. If you have to learn something from it, start from now. If you have to do something, start thinking from now. And if you have started something, if you have started doing something, then really very great it is for you, and it is going to be for you in amazing manner. But we will have to understand this thing, that everything is hidden in this power of moment. The reason why I am repeatedly saying this thing is because it is so much necessary to get entered this thing in people's mind, because then only they will be able to do the things in right manner. And if they understand this thing, believe me, life can dramatically change. Yes, it will surely take time. It will surely take time. It is a really very time taking process, time consuming process. Not, I would not say time consuming process, I would say time investing process, if you do the things in right manner. So that's why it is so much very necessary. Stop living in past or in future, because from here only our life will be changed. And one more thing I would like to share with you. If you think, if you think something is necessary doing for you, something is necessary doing for you, do not procrastinate. Do not delay the things to do. Do not think that I will do it tomorrow, or I will do it right now, later on. Because there is one dopamine in our mind that it says that this person has said me that I will do this thing later. And that's why people procrastinate so much. I also have been one of the part of procrastinator, but now I have left that habit, because before some days I understood the power of now. And the the since I have the time, since I have adapted this thing, I can see that my life is getting changed gradually. It happens in many of the lives that it happens gradually, but later on we get amazing results. So that's why people, it is so much very necessary to understand us, why and what is the importance of right now time, because this is the thing only which will make you successful in your life, which will make you amazing person in your life, which will take you so much ahead in your life than many other people who are not even thinking in this manner. Thank you so much everybody to listen to me till now. Have a very good day. Bye bye.